So another post. Now that one is post.
This one's pot.
Wait. Okay, carry it up.
You must not have a shelf. Oh my god, only how many pots? 2 pots and so a big carton. And so heavy. 2 pots can never be so heavy.
This one now, smaller one, smaller size.
And straight now.
See how small it is.
Those are not bad, huh?
This one a small pot.
But I don't know the difference from our own and then this one. Also sortiert die erstmal, okay?
Das mach ich doch. Das tue ich so. Okay, das ist
See, you can use it for induction. You can use it for gas. You can use it for ceramic. You can use it for this one. We'll get so.
You can use it anywhere.
Yeah. For any kind of fire. For any kind of fire. This one is the biggest one.
So now the cover of this one. Where is the cover of this one?
You can use for that place.
But I don't know the difference. What is the difference?
You know one cover.
They're all the same
There's
size.
no cover. Now where is this one?
I might talk. Maybe you don't put on the other side where it will wear all this thing.
They're putting
The other side where.
it must have.
Supposed to have. That's what I'm saying now. The cover is not complete. I've been a winning.
Not complete.
So, jetzt muss die kommen.
Not
Warte.
complete.
Jetzt muss ihr das hier und das immer so.
I think this will be an illusion.
Lego.
Wait, I will send them.
Ja, ich wusste das doch nicht. Hier, das haben wir richtig.
Ja, das kommt wieder hier, Lucy. Hier! In einer Reihe muss das hin. Und sonst wissen wir nicht, wo die Sachen hin sollen.
Sag mir bitte, wenn ihr fertig seid.
Ja.
So, don't finish with that now.
Okay. Jetzt nehmt ihr ein von diesen Dings.
So, right now I will be testing my super ceramic for the first time. We just installed it, and this is my first time of using it. And yeah, with the new oven, as you can see, everything is new. We just installed it. So right now I will be testing the flame to see how good it is, because it works with special pots. So we ordered the pot online and we've been waiting for it to come. Since then we've not been cooking, and we didn't read it very well. We just ordered it because it was so fancy, and at the end we ended up leaving it for a long time. After 6 months we decided to unbox it.
Then I press it again
To try it for the first time. So we'll find out that the
To reduce. Plus is to add. As simple. This one
flame.
is this one.
Okay.
But you should know this middle is this one.
This one, I understand.
This one
now.
is this one. This one is this one.
And after we've installed it, that was when we'll find out. You can imagine that kind of funny thing. But all the same, yeah. So this is how it works.
So I go grill. Okay.
So it's morning and it's weekend, and at this moment I'm making breakfast. Although the bigger pot is still coming because we ordered everything separate and it all came separate. So we are still expecting the biggest pot. But for now, I'm making use of what we've received so far. Okay guys, so keep watching.
Mama, what's up? My comfort zone, a place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight, motivation talks to feel so light. Tutorials served with heart so full, life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face, welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today, find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow, braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset, all your worries you can't forget. It's more than videos, more than views, it's a family vibe we always choose. So grab your tea, come stay a while, we'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today, find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. glow. Braids and twists, let beauty flow. Life's lessons here, we hit reset. All your worries you can't forget. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists, let beauty flow. Life's lessons here, we hit reset. All your worries you can't forget. It's more than videos, more than views. It's a family vibe we always choose. So grab your tea, come stay a while. We'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here.
So come and take your food. Yeah?
Mama, always out my comfort zone. A place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight. Motivation talks to feel so light.